Hey everybody, it's Hailey, and today I have two very special announcements. Oh, also by the way, this painting in the background, beautiful painting done by my sister somewhere. I am deciding to start a separate channel that will be a vlog channel. So it'll just be called Hailey Scontrino Vlogs, and there are no videos posted yet, but I promise there will be one very soon. And you can go subscribe right now. I will put a link in the description box to my new channel. So my first video that I'm posting on my vlog channel is actually going to be a Q&A, and it'll be coming out Tuesday, December 14th. So if you want to ask me questions, then you can leave a comment on this video. I will try to answer as many questions as possible. And my second announcement is that I will be doing Vlogmas, which I am so excited for, and I think it's really cool that I get to start my channel with Vlogmas. For those of you that don't know, Vlogmas is where YouTubers will vlog every single day of December leading up to Christmas. It's already 2 weeks into Christmas? No? Okay. But I will be doing the 12 days of Vlogmas, like the 12 days of Christmas, the song. And anyways, I think that is everything. So don't forget to go subscribe to my vlog channel. The first video will be coming out on December 14th, Tuesday. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, the one that you're currently watching, if you're new here. And give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye!